Hello everyone and welcome to the Jenny Chem YouTube channel. Today we're going to be detailing this 2015 Mercedes-Benz that's actually one of our sales staff's cars. So as you can see, it's in pretty rough condition. It's done over 130,000 miles and it's in a need of a good detail. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the wheels. As you can see, they're pretty filthy. We're going to use our non-acid wheel cleaner on these just to bring them back and make them look like new again. And then we're going to go on to the paintwork. On the paintwork, we're going to use our pre-wash, and then what we're going to do is snow foam it, get rid of all the decontamination, and then we're going to move on to the wash stage. So starting with the wheels, we're going to use our non-acid wheel cleaner. I've just put it in one of our IK Pro foams, so they're really easy to use and it makes it nice and easy to apply. And this one is a Foam Pro, so it gives it a nice foam, just making it easier to get in with all the dirt. This product's alkaline based, so what it does is when you're driving on the road, there's a lot of acidic properties on the road, which basically make it really hard to get rid of when you're using a pH neutral product. So what the alkaline will do is it will blend with the acidic dirt on the wheel and essentially just lift it off nice and easily. So it just makes it so much easier to clean wheels with. The only thing you want to do is just make sure you don't use it on diamond cut wheels because it can sometimes leave streaks. You want to make sure not to forget the tyres as well, because when you apply a tyre shine, you want to make sure the wheel is as clean as possible, and that way the tyre shine is going to stick to the surface a lot better. So we're just using one of these tyre shine brushes that we've got on our website. Just going to go around and scrub the tyre and then give it a rinse. So what we're going to do now is put some protective rinse aid on the tyre. So this is our Super Cold Wax. It's just a drying agent, so it just helps the dirt not stick to the surface as much, and it makes the water bead off of your wheels nice and easy. And you just rinse it with water. And you can see the water just beads off. So now we're just going to go and finish all four wheels, and then we're going to get onto the paintwork. So now we're just using our Cherry Blizzard Snow Foam. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply this into the foam lance. I'm doing this at about 1 to 5, so that's 1 part chemical to 5 parts water. And then all we're going to do is apply it to the vehicle. So just go all around, starting from the top and working your way down to the bottom. And all this is going to do is it's just going to create a nice thick foam, and it's going to stop any scratches going onto the vehicle when you're cleaning it with the wash mitt. Show you guys something. So when you use just a snow foam, it doesn't actually lift all of the dirt, and a lot of people say that the pressure washer does all the work, but if you watch this, you can see that it's not actually lifting the dirt. So that is why you want to use a pre-wash. And what we're going to use next is just the same stuff we used on the wheels, the non-acid wheel cleaner. So you can put it in a normal hand sprayer, you can put it in a foam lance. I'm just going to spray that on there. So we just finished cleaning the car. As you can see, some areas have come up really nice. Some areas still do need a little bit of work, but it's just started to rain. So what we're going to do is we're going to dry the car with one of our drying towels. And then what we're going to do is the second part of the video. So in the second part, we're going to fully decontaminate the surface using the iron fallout, tar and glue, get rid of everything on the surface. And then we're going to give it a good polish and bring this paintwork back up to new, because it really does need some love. So like and subscribe for part 2, and if the video is already out while you're watching this, you'll be able to click the link below and watch the video there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you all soon.